Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to open PDF files in Adobe instead of Google Chrome. If you prefer using Adobe Acrobat for better PDF tools and features, this tutorial is for you. On your computer or laptop, if you want to open PDF files in Adobe instead of Google Chrome, here is what we need to do. As you can see, the default app is Google Chrome. All we have to do is right-click the PDF file, then select Open With and choose Adobe Acrobat if it is installed. We cannot show this step directly because Adobe Acrobat is not installed on this computer. But if you have it, all you need to do is click Adobe Acrobat to open the file there instead of Google Chrome. Once you do that, you will be asked to choose if you want this to happen always or just once. You can also browse your apps to find and select Adobe Acrobat. If you do not see it, you can install it from here. After installation, simply select Adobe Acrobat Reader. This will change your default PDF settings so that PDF files automatically open in Adobe Acrobat instead of Chrome. And that is how we open PDF files in Adobe instead of Chrome.